ओके सो हे एवरीवन, माय नेम इज आदि एंड आज एक बार फिर से आपके लिए मॉक इंटरव्यू मैंने लाया है। ओके, जहाँ पे हमारे साथ है ऐश्वर्या एंड उनका इंटरव्यू हम लेंगे कोर जावा, एडवांस जावा, देन समथिंग स्प्रिंग बूट के कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे। देखते हैं उनका परफॉर्मेंस कैसे रहता है। अगर परफॉर्मेंस लो भी रहा तो भाई इससे हमें घबराना नहीं है। वी आर डूइंग द प्रैक्टिस। ओके, तो आप सब लोग बने रहिए, इनके क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स देखो। आप खुद को पूछो मुझे ये आंसर्स आते हैं क्या। अगर नहीं भी आते, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। आपको समझ में तो आएगा मैं कहाँ पे कम हूँ। कम्युनिकेशन, कॉन्फिडेंस, ये सारी चीजें इस इंटरव्यू से आपको पता चलेगी। इनको भी पता चलेगी, आपको भी पता चलेगा, राइट। इंटरव्यू में कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, कैसे आंसर्स हमें बताने, मैं भी हेल्प करूंगा, डोंट वरी। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, सो ऐश्वर्या, कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ?
Okay, first of all, good morning, sir.
गुड
And
मॉर्निंग।
my name is Aishwarya. And uh, uh,
ओके ओके ओके, बताओ
thank you
बताओ।
for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya, and
हम्म।
I have completed my BE with 84 percentage and MTech with a CGPA 7.8. And
हम्म।
I have knowledge of Spring Boot, Core Java, J2EE, Hibernate, MySQL, etc.
Okay, very good, Aishwarya. Can you tell me, have you done any project by using Spring Boot? Can you explain that project?
Yes, it was a supply chain management system, and in this project, I'm using some OOPS concept, and
Mm-hmm.
there are three modules: acknowledge module, and order service system, and distributor uh, order
Mm-hmm.
system. And in this module, user purchase order like a Flipkart and Amazon. They place order, and regarding to their order, incoming order, it will check into the database, and whether it is present or not in that much amount. It is check in my
Okay,
project. Yeah.
okay, very good, no problem. Can you tell me, you heard about Java 8 features?
Yes, Java
Okay.
features.
Mm-hmm.
Like there are lambda expression, method reference, and
Mm-hmm.
functional interface, and
Stream
optional
API,
class.
optional class, very
Yeah,
good.
string.
Okay, okay, fine. What is lambda expression, Aishwarya?
Lambda expression is a anonymous function which is not having return type and access modifier, and mainly it is used for to reduce the lines of code and make um, uh, it so it we should be read it as fast
Mm-hmm.
for good
Oh.
readability. And
Mm-hmm.
we are it is a one line of code.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we are not having sometimes it we don't have to give curly bracket also.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
lambda expression is used in Python, JavaScript, another languages also, and it
Okay.
comes in Java.
Java is purely
And
object
by using
oriented.
the lambda expression, functional interface we can make.
Implement, right? Okay.
Yes, we can
Can you
implement.
tell me, Java is purely object oriented or no? What do you think?
Not 100% object oriented, because in Java we are using primitive data types, and primitive data types are not object. So for
Where?
making them 100% object oriented, we make these primitive data types in convert into wrapper classes.
Okay.
Wrapper classes are used in collections.
Very good, very good. And what is the difference in between Hibernate and JDBC?
Hibernate comes after JDBC.
Mm-hmm.
JDBC in JDBC we have to write query manually, and in
Mm-hmm.
Hibernate this boiler code, this repeated lines of code is removed, and in
Mm-hmm.
Hibernate there is a one line of query fire, and in JDBC we have to compulsory write try and catch block, and
Mm-hmm.
in Hibernate we don't have to write try catch block. And in Hibernate check exception converted into uncheck exception. And
Mm-hmm.
again
Hibernate is database dependent or independent?
Hibernate is a ORM tool, and it is a direct physical connection with the database. And there are
Okay.
drive we are using.
Hmm.
Uh,
Driver or
I
drive?
think driver are we are using in between Hibernate and in between our Java application and database.
Okay, guys, check the answer of Hibernate is a platform dependent or independent, and also JDBC is database dependent or independent. It's also interview question. Okay, and I hope Aishwarya will also check. Now, can you tell me what is the internal working of HashMap?
HashMap stores key value pair, and whenever we are creating HashMap, uh, there is a buckets of there
Mm-hmm.
are 16 buckets of bucket is created, and in
Okay.
each bucket there are nodes, and
Okay.
each node have a key value pair and a reference of another node. So
Right.
whenever
Mm-hmm.
we are calculating hash code of a key, then it will store according to the index in the particular bucket. And
Mm-hmm.
after calling put method,
Mm-hmm.
the hash value of a key is calculated. And when there are three things are happen when bucket is empty. If bucket is empty, the key value pair is stored in a hash map and the reference will be null. And if bucket is fill, then equals method returns true. And if bucket is totally full, then equals method returns false. And when
Mm-hmm.
number of how when hash collision is happen, when number of key value hash code key value of hash code is same index value
Mm-hmm.
stored in a same node, then hash collision is happen, and that node will converted into linked list. And
Mm-hmm.
there is a load factor also, which is a 0.75, means uh, after crossing 75% of um,
Mm-hmm.
75% of values, it's get double. It
Okay.
gets double. Its value get increases, and that is nothing but hashing or
Okay.
resizing the hash map. And
Mm-hmm.
when linked list in linked list, when values exceed beyond certain limit, like 8, then this linked list again converted into red black tree, which is a feature of Java 8. uh, yes and again it is converted into red black tree, and again when values decreases below 6, then again this red black tree converted back into linked list. Like that the operation is happening.
Well tried. Very good. Uh, Suppose I want to update the data in array list. How I can update?
By update mm,
Is there any method to update the data in array list?
yes, there is a method. uh,
Which one?
I'm not getting it right now.
Okay, fine, no problem. Guys, check out the answer of this question. Okay, what is the method? Which method is used to update the object inside the array list? Right. Okay, fine. What is the default capacity of array list?
A released default capacity.
Mhm.
Mm, no, I have no idea.
Okay. Who is the
Maybe
parent
10.
of? Yes, yes.
Maybe 10.
Yes, okay, okay, very good. Who is the parent of linked hash set?
Link has set.
Mm-hmm.
Set is a parent, and after set, um,
Set is
uh,
not parent. Set,
collection and
no, no.
collection.
See. Linked has set is implementing set or extending to the set.
Uh,
It's
link
implementing,
has
na?
set is coming.
Implement to the
Yes,
set. So how it is become a
yes.
parent? How it is become a parent? No, na. So I am asking to
No.
who is the parent of linked has set?
Oh, yes. Mm,
Okay, fine. It's okay. No problem. Has set is the parent of linked has set. Okay.
has
Uh,
set. Okay.
yes. Can I store the multiple null values inside the has set?
Mm, has set. In has set. Uh,
I want to store two null
there.
values.
Uh-huh.
It's possible?
First, linked list is having one null. Linked list
Hmm.
is linked set is um, duplicates.
Yeah.
It is on the stuff. I'm remind it's on the basis of duplicates. How duplicates is allowed or not. Um,
So can I store null
uh,
values multiple?
in linked list, duplicates are allowed, and in has set in set duplicates are not allowed. And you are asking me about
Null values.
null in a has set,
Yes, has set.
so not allowed. Not
No.
only one null is allowed, not two allowed.
Okay, very good. What about TreeSet? What is the use of TreeSet?
TreeSet TreeSet is used to store in TreeSet um, order is save uh,
Mhm.
mm,
Okay, fine, no problem.
naturally on the natural
TreeSet
sorting.
is used for sorting the data. Okay, yeah, fine.
Yes,
What is the difference in between comparable and comparator?
yes. Comparable is lies in a package java.lang package, and
Mhm.
comparator is lies in java.util package.
Yeah.
And comparable uses compare to method, and comparator uses compare method.
Mhm.
And in comparable is a natural sorting, and
Mhm.
comparator is a customized sorting.
Okay, fine. Uh, Fine. Okay, very good, Aishwarya. You are going good. And all guys, please listen carefully. Collection topic is very important. You will get the most of the questions on collection topic. Okay, so be prepared with collection, everything. Okay, and it should be like straightforward, right? You will get the time to think about that. Okay, it's present, or we can say we can store null values, or we cannot store null values. We can store duplicate. Be prepared for that. Okay, because question like you need to understand the methods of particular class. You need to understand that particular class, who is the parent of that class, then वो किसको implement कर रहा है. All things you must know about it. Okay, fine. Aishwarya, can you tell me? You know stack? What is stack in Java?
Yes, stack stores. It is a memory
No.
which
I'm asking
store.
about collection. Inside collection, what is stack?
Stack is a legacy class.
Okay, yeah, it's a legacy class. Then
Yes, legacy class. It store value in the form of first in, first out, first in,
okay,
last out. Before,
FIFO
I
or
think
LIFO?
first in and last out. Like
Are you sure?
bangles, uh, uh, stack.
Are you
Stack
sure
is like
stack
a
is storing first in, last out?
first in, first out. Taking last in, last in. Actually, I'm confused in two.
And what about RADQ?
mm, RADQ. No.
Okay, and when to use concurrent hash map and normal hash map? What is the difference in between that?
Whenever we want synchronization, then we use
Hmm.
concurrent HashMap. And for
Okay.
thread safety, synchronization, It provides us thread safety when and traditional hash map is not having it is not thread safe and it is not
Okay.
synchronized. For synchronization purpose, we use concurrent hash map. So
Very good.
it will not
Mm.
give us concurrent modification exception.
Right.
And
Very good.
data inconsistency problem is not occur in a concurrent hash map. And
Okay, very good. How to create custom exception in Java?
custom exception
Mm-hmm.
custom exception
That means user defined exception I want to create. How I can create?
uh, by using throw keyword.
Throws keyword. Okay. Mm-hmm. How to create? Can you tell me the process?
Declare throws in the method signature and
No. See. Throws is different. Throw is different. You're talking about throw, na?
yeah throw is defined inside a method,
Mm-hmm.
and the exception may be occur, or we know that this is an exception should be occur. It's written in a throw and catch after that.
Mm.
Defined in a
Okay.
method, and throw is defined in a method reference. It's method
Okay.
signature.
Can you tell me some compile time exception names?
Yes. Compile time exception are IO exception, SQL exception
Mm-hmm.
are the compile time exception,
Okay. And
which
runtime
are
exception?
coming at the time of runtime exception are arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, illegal uh, thread exception, something like that.
Okay. In Java, null pointer exception when will occur? Null pointer exception. Can you tell me some
Null,
scenarios? Mm-hmm.
yes, null pointer exception occurs when we are divided by something value are taken and it is divided by 0. This exception is null pointer exception.
No, it's
Or the
arithmetic.
value
It's
is
the arithmetic exception.
arithmetic exception. When
Mm-hmm.
I,
I'm
there
talking
is
about
no
null
value,
pointer. Mm-hmm.
then something is not returning any value, then suppose there are two methods, and there is a get method. When
Mm-hmm.
we hit database and it will not give any value back, then it will give us null pointer exception.
Okay. And when will array index out of bound exception occur?
Array index out of bound.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, when there is an array which is of length 0 to 3, and
Mm-hmm.
we are using character char at method, and in char at method the in we have to put index, and we are
Mm-hmm.
putting index which is 4, and our array or string length is 0 to 3,
Okay.
and we're trying to retrieving index 4, then it gives us array index out of bound.
Very good. Very good. What is final, finally, and finalize?
Yes, final is a keyword used with a variable and a
Mm-hmm.
class and a method. If final is a variable, then the variable value will not change.
Mm-hmm.
It is restrict it that particular value, and no one will can change. And if a
Mm-hmm.
method is a final, then we cannot override it.
Mm-hmm.
And if class is a final, then we cannot extend it.
Okay. And finally, and finalize?
Finally, finally is a block used after try and catch. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
the code which should be executed whether even whether
Mm-hmm.
try exception is handle not handle, exception occur or not occur, the finally
Mm-hmm.
block should be executed, and the code which should be executed is written in the finally, and it is used for cleanup. And finalize
Mm-hmm.
It is used
Yes.
by garbage collector for cleanup activity.
Okay.
The object which are
Right, right, right. Fine, fine. Can you tell me difference between Spring and Spring Boot? Hello. Hello. Your voice is not coming. I think network connection.
uh,
Yes, now coming.
yes, yes.
Difference
You are
between Spring
asking me.
and Spring Boot.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, s- in the spring, the main feature of a spring is IOC dependency inversion or IOC dependency inversion of control. And in a Spring Boot, the important feature is auto configuration. And in a Spring, we have to manually add server whenever we want to use server. And in Spring Boot, yeah, there is it has inbuilt server. We don't have to add it manually like
Mm-hmm.
jetty or petty server are there.
Mm-hmm.
And in a Spring, uh, in memory is not available. And in Spring Boot there is a in memory which is H2 database like that.
Right. Mm-hmm.
And in a Spring, uh, there is a in Spring Boot actuator is provided which checks our application health, which is not provided in a Spring.
Okay.
And in Spring we have to manually there we have to write developer have to write lots of code. And in Spring Boot, uh, due to has
Auto
advantages like
configuration.
auto
Mm-hmm.
configuration. Yes, just adding
Mm-hmm.
dependency jar files get added. So
Oh, very
programmer
good, very
have
good.
to focus only on the code, not on the configuration required
Right,
for
right,
our app.
right. Okay. Can you tell me some status codes, HTTP status codes?
Yes, HTTP status code 100 is for continue,
Mm-hmm.
like
Right, right, like this.
200 for uh, 200 for it gives a response okay.
Mm-hmm.
And when HTTP method like post
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
gives then it gives us response 200. And
Mm-hmm.
201 is for
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Created. Huh. Okay, then.
created. Yes, one is for put and one is for post.
Mm-hmm.
400 for bad request, 500 for internal server error, like that.
Very good, very good, very good, Aishwarya. Okay, Aishwarya, you have good knowledge. You have good knowledge, in-depth knowledge. Okay, but one thing I have, we can say, मैंने यहाँ पे देखी. Okay, वो है कि आप मतलब जब आंसर बताते हो ना, आपको पता तो सब कुछ है, बट थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो जाती है. ओके, सो वी नीड टू
हाँ.
टेक केयर अबाउट दैट. ओके, आपको पता है सारा आंसर, बट इंटरव्यू में कब क्या होता है पता है, माइट भी इंटरव्यू का मूड खराब हो. राइट, होता है ये चीजें.
हम्म.
इंटरव्यू का मूड खराब हो, उसका किसी के साथ झगड़ा हो गया हो, तो ये चीजें अगर हुई ना, यू आर, आप आंसर बता रहे हो, आप बीच में अटक रहे हो, आप बीच में अटक रहे हो, देन आप रिमेम्बर कर रहे हो, देन बता रहे हो, तो भाई वो सुनने की मनस्थिति में नहीं रहता. ओके. सो देखो, उसका कुछ भी हो जाए, हमें लेना देना नहीं है. हमें एज अ इंटरव्यू, राइट, हमें इंटरव्यू देने वाले, तो हमें रेडी होना पड़ेगा उस लाइक कि भाई उसको हमें आंसर्स बताने सारे, उसके माइंड में फिट करने. ओके. सो आपके आंसर सही थे, उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं थी. बट फिर भी एक सजेशन देना चाहूंगा कि आप जब आंसर बताओगे, सब लोग जो इस इंटरव्यू को देख रहे हैं, आंसर बताते टाइम आपका आंसर एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए, परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. ओके. थोड़ा सा मतलब ये इधर उधर हो सकता है. ओके, पर ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, इसकी आपको केयर करनी है. ओके. ज्यादा अगर आप अटक रहे हो, ज्यादा आप सोच रहे हो, तो उस टाइम क्या होता है पता है, आगे वाले की माइंडसेट होता है ना, वो थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, आपके बारे में. सो दैट्स वाई ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपकी आपको पता सब कुछ है, ठीक है, यू हैव गुड नॉलेज. गाइज, आपने भी देखा होगा इंटरव्यू पूरा, तो आपको समझ में आया होगा कि ऐश्वर्या हैविंग वेरी गुड नॉलेज अबाउट कोर जावा, देन स्प्रिंग बोट, एडवांस जावा, सारी चीजें आपको पता है, डोंट वरी अबाउट। और यही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे। देखो क्वेश्चंस बहुत नहीं होते, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे, पूरा मतलब जावा तो पूछा नहीं जाएगा, नो। इंपॉर्टेंट इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें पूछी जाएगी, वही हमें परफेक्ट करनी है। ओके। आंसर्स बताते टाइम हम मतलब अटकने नहीं चाहिए, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज। बट भी आप एक मतलब एक का दूसरा हो सकता है यार, यू आर वी आर ह्यूमन राइट, तो कुछ चीजें हो सकती है। बट ध्यान रखना कि ये चीजें कम हो। 100% में से मैं बताऊंगा 10% ठीक है आप अटक रहे हो, बट ज्यादा अगर होगा ना तो इट माइट बी इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर एंट्री, हो सकता है। ओके, ठीक है। यस। तो आप अपना
यस,
एक्सपीरियंस।
बाय प्रैक्टिस
यस यस, प्रैक्टिस करनी
हो
पड़ेगी।
जाएगा।
आप अपना
हम्म।
एक्सपीरियंस बताओ, इंटरव्यू का भी, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल का भी, आपको कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है?
यस, मैं जब से आपके फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट मैंने सुना, तो मैंने बोला कि मुझे अब ये करना ही है, बस करना ही है। तो मैं स्टार्टिंग से आपके वीडियो देख रही हूँ, और जो भी आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो रोज, वो मैं
हम्म।
करके देख रही हूँ। इतने दिन से मैंने कभी किया नहीं था प्रैक्टिस,
ओके।
बस थियोरेटिकली मैं याद रख रही थी।
हम्म।
बट आप जब से सिखा रहे हो तब से मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ कि मुझे सेमीकोलन कहाँ लगाना है, मेथड कब से स्टार्ट करनी है, मेथड में क्या लिखना है, ये मुझे अब भी समझ में आ रहा है। सो एंड द वे यू आर टीचिंग जस्ट आउटस्टँडिंग.
थैंक यू।
तर त्यात मराठी म्हटल्यावर तर कन्सेप्ट
हम्म।
एकदम कळताय. आणि
हम्म।
मला पण जे सांगायचंय ते सांगता येतंय, जे समजून घ्यायचे ते समजतंय. कसं
राइट।
मराठी लँग्वेज म्हटलं की सगळंच समजतं.
हम्म।
तर तसं मी ट्राय करतेय.
ओके ओके, ठीक है, गुड गुड गुड। ओके, ऑल द गाइस
आणि
यू कैन।
माझ्या फ्रेंड्सला पण मी शेअर केलंय की तुम्ही पण लाईक करा आणि बघा, खूप छान सिरीज आहे.
ओके ओके, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, वेरी थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, एंड सबको थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग आवर चैनल, आवर फुल स्टैक जावा सीरीज। ऐसे ही बने रहो, आपको यहाँ पे वैल्यूबल कंटेंट देने का काम मिलता था, मिलता है, मिलता रहेगा भी। और इस वीडियो को भी आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। आपका इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा विथ ऐश्वर्या ने जो क्वेश्चंस आपको आंसर्स बताए, वो आपको हेल्पफुल लगे या नहीं लगे, वो आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए। ओके ऐश्वर्या, हम मिलेंगे एक और इंटरव्यू में, जहाँ पे और आपका नॉलेज हम चेक करेंगे, ठीक है? तो वहाँ पे हम प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस भी
येस,
देंगे आपको, ठीक है? यस, चलो। सो
येस.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, विल स्टॉप हियर। ओके। या।
थँक यू सर.